me to me the men says me boaka say if there is NDC the gold border bar most definitely Kwame Wadako and the question manifesto massa or you deep
right
and was shas yes on me discusses on our ideas man ideas
Nhyira
on ideas no the numbers as so
right
and the man started mention say gold board I can stick out my neck and say because of gold board NDC will be successful.
Wow.
Mahama will be successful because of gold board no cocoa board
right
cocoa board the cocoa board employment cocoa board they are creating at the national, at the regional, at the district. Now say NDC to me adwin this is what we call creativity. What I say?
Sure.
Adia eni ho and omo dia ba sa governments and as a development consultant me pay o ma se ho.
But over the gold body ba be ye ya Eric J Enra oni ne Kwadwoja Ntoa etwetwe nkomo.
Right.
Or deputy communications officer the NDC for no. Na yentie na sema o kan no na omo eti no bia e ka gold board no. Ni o si gold board no e be ya nkasa.
Ghana Cocoa Board and a Yejuma Kuba Tanya or Tokoko Emma Ghana Pine and a year Yaquacoton and Germans. A Ghana Cocoa Board the other day, Afibia, a Cocoa Jebesia, ya a friend is indicated loan. Ye ba near Betcha the Ama LBCs no Mona Tokoko no, at the Acoma Bank now buying Swacoton with Germans. Into Ghana Good Board na a day bano. Mijume dia obedi na no, ewo Emrana, 18 dia commerce be the field. Nti menim se Emrana ba, the dona beba abontin. Na emumu no, ye ni so ade hunu na ne se, ye ba beto Ghana goodie, especially from the small scale miners, artisanal miners, ne omo yenkete na ka honi na. On say last year for no, omo se dan dos no sa ate se na se o yawe. Na ye ti kurom ha, wo ha na Lebanese wo ya fa ha ko to good. Ye dia fa border so India for to turn basabas. See my attention, a queer goodie na a faculty kwan so kwa man on the kwana, a bit stabilize your CD no. Nasiam ye creating nav job na system. The Jumadian say a barber to a goodie, I will my Ghana din. Na ya asking up on a goodie, I will my Ghana.
Ain't so far, Utie Eric J. That's the mission. And now say the purpose of the establishment of Gold Board. Say omo beto good no. Na omo no beto ni kurumu a no makoton enya forest na de aba o mai na yetimi am yesidi no stabilize as create jobs
meaning I say me say menya the benefit of speaking to dear me susu say and I'm just say the bring behind this Gold Board Kwame Wadako meaning it goes far beyond what the guy is talking about.
Okay.
My deputy communication officer.
Brosa.
Far. Okay. Me say Gold Board no kwa no. Mahama is successful.
Wow.
Who them the kwa you should know that Mahama is successful because rippling effect no. It's about solving lots of problems. Ghana here come environmental problems, mining problems. And so I say no this about solving employment so I did by the massive. On say rippling effect in be akwa currency. What is it?
Yeah.
About inflation.
Yeah.
About interest rate. What would they